Poor gaming performance with Hyper-V installed in Windows 8. I am getting very poor gaming performance on my Windows 8 host OS with Hyper-V installed but no guest machines running. For example, World of Tanks reports 60 to 70 FPS without Hyper-V installed and 4 to 14 FPS with it installed. A similar, dramatic, it is observed in several other games, so the issue is not WOT specific. To make the point clear, I am not trying to run games in a virtual machine. I don't even have a VM running while observing this effect. I simply have the Hyper-V feature installed. My system specs. AMD Phenom 2965, 3.4 GHz AMD Radeon 6952GB, XFX DD HD 695X CDFC 16GB DDR3 1333. AMD 790GX chipset mainboard, Gigabyte Gamma 790 GPT. I've tried every AMD driver from 12.8 to the current 12.11 Beta 8. Virtualization is enabled in the BIOS settings. The onboard 3300 HD video device is disabled in BIOS, and I have read the MSDN blog entry here regarding a similar issue in Server 2008 that was resolved in 2008 R2, and hopefully not regressed in Win 8. I'd like to be able to use Hyper-V for development and testing at home. I am a sysadmin/software developer professionally. If, however, I can't also use my home system for entertainment, I'll have to scrap those plans. I should note that I'm aware that Hyper-V is a Type 1 hypervisor in which the management/host OS runs within the virtualization environment. I realize that there will be at least some level of performance hit, but I'd rather experience the minimal hit that most sources allude to rather than the severe hit that I'm currently able to observe and measure.
If I were you, I would consider using VMware or VirtualBox. I use VirtualBox myself and don't have any performance issues when playing games. I have even left a VM running and not noticed a difference. Granted, I have lots of RAM and a good processor.
As far as I can see, there should only be a minimal performance reduction if you enable Hyper-V. If found this thread in the MSFT forum. This is because of that your Windows 8 is then running also on Hyper-V, as you can see here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.